If you're on easy mode, go to classic. Once you're in classic, go to BIOS. Once you're on BIOS, you have to click on CSM support. If it's enabled, you have to disable it. Once you disable it, it should pop up secure boot right here. Click on that. Click on disable. Click on enable, but it's not gonna work. So you have to restart your whole PC. Save and exit. Save and exit. Set up. Restart. Alright, once you're back at the settings, when you restart your whole PC, you have to go to secure boot. From here, you have to click on restore factory keys. Click on that, click on yes. Once you do that, now instead of disable, you can click on enable now. Enable, go back to save and exit, and there you go, you just turned on secure boot. If you guys are here for Valor, make sure you check out the video description. I left a video to everything down below in the comment section. I'm gonna pin the video. Make sure y'all go check it out, like and subscribe.